Purple?
Yeah.
You're cheating. You're cheating.
You
should kick.
Counter-terrorists win.
One went vent. Speed. I think that's the fastest I've wanted to team kill someone.
There was a guy coming down secret.
Counter-terrorists win.
Yo, Swervo, why the fuck are you out there, dude? You gotta go with the team. Yeah, or dualies. Oh, you fucking missed that? Guard.
Terrorists win.
Yeah, nah. One tap. On the roof. You should've bought the auto.
You don't ever use the fucking Nova.
Dude, just go to the USP, bruh. He's... If you had a Deagle, why were you using the Nova? Oh!
Oh my god.
Yo.
I hate this game.
Actually win.
All skill, baby.
I'm gonna fall and plant.
Draw him out. I'm gonna Zeus him.
Do you fucking... Get him. Why do you hate me? It's because it reminds him he will never have gay sex. Which is his biggest shortcoming.
Here, you know what? I'll give you this song before I head out.
No, don't head out. Don't head out. Don't head out. Oh, please. Please, man, no. I'm tearing up. Please don't leave me. No.
Like 20 studs damage now. Like, bro, take out their knife.
You're not gonna take it off. The W.
Yo, I just hit 2 jump bugs in a row.
Me too. Me too.
Oh yeah, I got him. Don't worry.
Let's go. Ready? 3,
2,
1.
1.
Counter-terrorists win.
not have killed him.
Civil protection is onto us. We're tearing up the railroad, covering our tracks.
Enemy rockets!
Man, this Ross is sponsored.
Do
by
you ever
T-Bane's
shut up,
vodka.
retard? Like, Jesus Christ, man.
Nobody else is fucking talking, dog. I gotta pick up the
Yeah,
whole
because
last
they're normal
conversation.
people. They're normal human beings.
Bud, shut the fuck up, bud.